video of using the Sensel Morph with the Buchla Thunder overlay and the Arturia Buchla Easel V. So if you want to MIDI map to it in standalone mode, first we want to make sure that our audio settings have the Sensel Morph enabled in MIDI devices. Okay. So now I can just play keys on my Morph, and I'm getting notes. And now we want to use MIDI Learn with the Morph. I'm currently using preset 1 on the Buchla Thunder overlay, which is sending MIDI polyphonic expression. This kind of has an advantage because the first key is going to be the one that we use for our vertical motion. That'll be sending on channel 2. So I'll go ahead and enable MIDI Learn. I'll click, let me go ahead and unassign it for the sake of example, and click on that and press a key, and now I've got control of the timbre slider. Go ahead and get rid of that. Now I move up and down on my keys. I can now modulate the timbre by going up and down. The Buchla Easel V is polyphonic. I think it can do 4 voices of polyphony. This one is set to 3 in this tiny, tiny interface element down here. So I can play a 3-note chord. And moving up and down on the first finger that landed will affect that timbre. Because it's MPE, the second and third fingers are sending on channels 3 and 4. So this is mapped to channel 2, so we don't have any fighting or any problems. Now, if we want to get aftertouch involved, we use the purple outputs. So this doesn't use MIDI Learn. And we can assign that to any of the black jacks on the Buchla Easel V. I'll assign it here. And then this controls how much of the pressure is going to affect the frequency of the modulation oscillator. So I'm pressing lightly, heavily. You can hear the frequency going up and down. And that changes the range. Now I can actually change that to an FM if I want. So already I have a lot of crazy sound at my fingertips.